Hi, we're Mallory and Savannah. We are two best friends that have a DIY blog called Clutter.
We truly believe that if you can dream it, you can do it. And this is where our DIY meets design.
Where are we, Mel?
We are in
Look at our
Jamaica.
shirt. We're in Jamaica.
I got this on right when we got off the boat. Isn't it so
Look
cute?
how cute it is. And then she's got her cutest shorts ever from Rad
Swim.
So cute. What are we doing today?
We are so excited. We're going inner tubing down the river. And then, we're going to Dun River Falls first.
Yes.
Then we're going inner tubing down river. And then we're getting jerk chicken.
Yep. Guess what? These people get us because look what we have here. Pink door. A pink door and the most colorful, like fun colors ever.
They have the coolest stuff in the parish of, is it St. Anne? No, something Anne.
Could not remember.
I'll remember it.
Yes.
But they had the coolest houses and the coolest buildings. They were like the most intricate, beautiful details, and we were just staring out the window of our bus like.
It's just so cool. Like
It's
the
so
colors are so cool. They're bright. They're fun. So we cannot wait to take you along on this amazing experience. Yes, we need to. We need to get a picture. So we will be back.
Yeah, Mom.
Go down now, go down. Hey, give me a yaman. Down, yeah. Hey, give me a yaman. One more, down in it, down in it.
It's looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Yaman. Good. Looking good. You're looking good. Oh, they're pushing people. Perfect. Yep. She's made it. I made it.
The wire brushing. Me, you guys in the group. See those guys? All of us. Yeah, man. No problem, all right. Hey. No problem, all right. Yeah, man.
We're about to go inside of this. Hey! You got this. We're about to go in there and then climb up that. Grab a stick. Wait, there's a rock around you.
He's standing. He just has to be careful.
Yeah, so be careful, Blade.
What is happening?
Get it, Ted. Get it, Ted.
Blade!
Blade! Stay with us, Blade. You got it, Blade.
Blade, you good? Blade, you good?
Yeah, Blade. Blade. I don't know that one. How about some Sean Kingston? No?
Iron Man.
What do you see?
Watch out!
Way to go.
Oh, hi, friend. Hi.
Hey,
Hey, friend. You good? You good? She's not. Oh, we're going into the rock. Savannah! Oh, Ashley's got us. Ashley's going into. Whoa! Blade! Look at the Caribbean princess. She's on the struggle. Oh my gosh. Let's go, girl. Oh my. That's not the way to go. Ouch. Okay, princess.
We can take this off.
Good.
Don't get it mixed up with the human centipede.
Push off this side, push off. Hey, grab on.
Grab my foot! Grab my foot!
Oh, you know, friends. He's got us.
You got us, you got us.
You can't just close your eyes.
Yeah, she closed her eyes and there's nothing.
She was so good at doing that. You can't just close your eyes. Usually she goes like this. We're having lunch at this beautiful place.
Yeah, wait a minute. We have
Princess.
25 minutes.
How do we get down there?
Princess. How do we get down there? I don't even know.
Welcome, guys. How many guys in your family? Family picture. How many guys?
Mallory, explain our current situation.
So the ship's over there, and it's far.
Very far. Do you see it?
Yep. Maybe you can see it.
We'll see. We'll see if you can.
Very far, and we have to be on it in 9 minutes, or they leave us in Jamaica.
There it is.
And we don't appear to be going that direction.
No, we're actually turning the opposite direction currently.
Maybe it loops around. I don't know.
We don't know.
So we have 8 minutes to be on it.
We're gonna see how this goes. And none of us have debit cards.
We do have IDs. That's pretty much all.
The only thing, Ashley is the only one that has money. We have $50 cash. Is all we got.
Okay.
The great news is we made it. We made it onto the ship. We were feeling a little bit nervous, but we made it. There's Craig and Mal. They also made it. Let's see. Hold on. You guys made it. We're proud of you.
And we did get to go.
Don't drop your card.